Hello, welcome to another AQA Physics A-Level multi-choice question. If you want to try a different question, click over here on the information card and that'll take you to the playlist. If you want to do this question yourself, keep watching. Sorry, I should have said pause the video now. If you did pause the video now and you found the answer was C, well done. If you didn't, here's my explanation. Which of the following do both quantities have the same unit? So electrical resistivity and electrical resistance. Let's find an equation from the data sheet which tells us resistivity is resistance multiplied by the cross-sectional area of the wire over the length of the wire. Well, resistance we know has the units of ohms, so resistivity must be ohms, area meters squared, length meters, bit of cancelling going on. Resistivity has the units ohm meters, which isn't the same as ohms, so those two units aren't the same. The work function and the Planck constant. Well, let's look at the equation from the data sheet that tells us the energy of the photon, which is the Planck constant multiplied by the frequency, equals the work constant plus the maximum kinetic energy of any emitted electrons. Okay, so for an equation to be true, each term in the equation must have the same units. Well, we can see that the work function has the same units as the Planck constant multiplied by frequency. So the work constant can't have the same units as the Planck constant just on its own. So that can't be true. Pressure and the Young modulus. Well, pressure is equal to the force over area, which is newtons per meter squared, and Young modulus is equal to stress over strain. Strain has no units, so that won't affect the units of Young modulus, and stress is force over cross-sectional area, so obviously the same units. So the answer is C. If you found this a useful video, click on that subscribe button please, share with your friends, press the like button and make sure you watch more of them in the series. Thank you.